We're often asked how to set up a set to look your best on camera. Well, I've just been through this process recording a video and I'm going to show you the steps that I took. So I've got this on a wide angle so you can just see my setup, but we're actually talking about a reasonably small space here, probably around 4 by 4 meters. So I just wanted to show you the entire setup first. I've chosen to present this video in my office because that's where people are used to seeing me on places like Zoom. So first of all, I just rearranged everything so it was a little bit neater and created a little bit of interest in the background. It's always good to include some greenery, so a nice plant there. And you might notice that I've actually got it lit from underneath with a light there. And you'll notice these other 2 lights here as well. These are from our brand colours and add a little bit of fun and interest in the shot. You can see I've also got a ring light to light my face and throw nice even light across me when I'm speaking to camera. And you'll see on the left there's a teleprompter. I don't always use one of these, but if you have a specific script that you want to follow, this can be really handy. So the camera's set up at the back of the teleprompter and it's got a little hood on top. And you'll see I've positioned my chair reasonably close to it. A lot of people putting themselves flat against a wall. We want to create some depth, so sit as close to the camera as you can. And there you go. Make sure you watch and listen back to make sure that there's no extra sounds there you don't want or any objects that have encroached into the screen. Happy videoing!